Did you know that two people can sell the exact same product on Facebook? One makes millions and the other struggles to get a single sale? It's not because of the algorithm. It's not because of spending more money on ads. It's because one of them has a grand slam marketing message and the other one doesn't. See, your marketing message is what cuts through the noise. If people don't instantly understand what you do, why it matters, and why it's different, you lose them in the first 3 seconds. No matter how many times you post a day, it won't work. That's why 90% of the time, when businesses aren't getting sales through Facebook, it's not the ads, it's the marketing message. If your marketing message isn't hitting the emotional nerve of your audience, you can have the perfect offer, the perfect funnel, and still make 0 sales. So here's what I'm doing this week. I'm giving away a few free Facebook audits. I only do this for a limited number each month. Either I or one of my $1 Million Award certified coaches will jump on a Zoom meeting with you. We'll open up your Facebook together, review your offer message, your copy, your creative, your funnel, and your overall sales process. Then we'll give you 3 changes you can make right now that can double your results in the next 30 days. So if you want to fix your offer message, attract buyers instead of tire kickers, and finally turn your Facebook into a client attraction machine, click the button down below and book your free Facebook audit right now. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Let's go.
What can I say about Daniel and Nate? Well, they actually gave me my life back. I was in a head-on collision and as a grandmother had to change my earnings from dental hygiene to online digital marketing. And I felt really dumb. I didn't have tech skills. I thought I was pretty crazy actually doing it. And I'm pretty sure lots of my friends thought I was nuts as well. And they actually helped me turn that around. They helped me learn how to do what I need to do to be successful online. And I can't thank these guys enough.
Infamous Joel here, and I've made over $2 million online with affiliate marketing, and I can tell you, Nate Bockers and Daniel Chow are the real deal. You see, I used to depend all the time on paid advertising, and when I switched to their strategy and focused on building a brand, building know, like, and trust, all of my income became more sustainable. I stopped having up and down months. I learned a ton from them. These guys are the real deal.
Greetings, guys. Jimmy Mawson here from the UK. After I started working with them, I saw what these guys were doing online. I saw how they were so effective in just making sales on a daily basis. And I was thinking, man, I've got to find out what these guys are doing. And lo and behold, I started working with them. I joined their program. And they laid out a blueprint, a step-by-step daily action plan that you can follow, fast track to 10K. I made my first sale in a week, in less than 7 days of getting my system set up with them. And I knew these guys are the real deal. And what's even more is that I'm able to now help people with a clear step-by-step plan using their system and their framework. So I'm so happy that I found them.
Hey everyone, Ankush Shetty this side from India. In this video, I want to share my incredible experience working with my mentors Daniel and Nathan. Before I started working with them, I was struggling to maintain consistency in my results. I kept jumping from one course to another, hoping for a breakthrough, but I remained stuck. Plus, I often found myself distracted by shiny object offers that drained my focus every time. But these guys, Daniel and Nathan, completely transformed everything. They taught me how to craft offers so compelling that people couldn't say no. They showed me exactly how to structure my offers, price them confidently, and create bonuses that added tremendous value. And most importantly, they kept me focused, on track, and accountable every step of the way. Whenever I faced challenges in my business or life, they were always there with unwavering support. And under their mentorship, I achieved breakthrough I could only dream of before. In business, I made my first $100,000 in less than 10 months. And in life, I'm now living my dream and providing an incredible lifestyle for my family. Something I couldn't have achieved without their guidance.
Hey guys, Bryce here. I just really wanted to touch base on my experience with the Wealth Warriors, Nathan Bockers. So I got involved in affiliate marketing about 2 years ago. Seemed to be doing everything we could, it just wasn't working. And during that time I was a full-time chef, working brutal shifts, tourist town that was just, summers were just crazy in the restaurant industry, working my back to the bone. And I stumbled across some content that Nathan had created, and kind of really inspired me to kind of contact him and see what he was doing, merely based on the fact that he kind of cut from the same cloth that I was, and you know, he really nurtured the relationship, and took his time to, you know, work through it, answer questions, and you know, we really decided to jump right into it when we did, and so just come December, we jumped into their EIE methods program, and went through the training as fast as I could. Really started to take the methods and the concepts that they showed me, and thought I would push something a little bit different than the coaching niche, and went into user-generated content, or UGC, and we had quite the year. By July, we'd already broken 6 figures in contracts with some major alcoholic beverage companies, as well as some other, you know, tech-based stuff. I've taken those methods and I've pushed it into Amazon Influencer as well as Amazon Live, and I've started to see a really steady stream of income coming from that. So really, it doesn't matter where you come from or who you are. You know, it's mindset, and it's putting in the effort. So anybody who's thinking about joining the program with Nathan and Daniel, I highly recommend, you know, checking it out, getting some questions answered, build that relationship with them, and you know, maybe you guys will be like us, 6 figures, quit that 9 to 5 and move forward in life.
Daniel and Nate.
Nathan and Daniel.
Daniel Cho and Nathan Boker.
Nate and Daniel.
Nathan, Daniel, Cho. Daniel and Nate.
This is what I was missing. I was missing the laser focus that they give you, the support they give you, and the push and the drive that makes you wake up every single day and get excited to actually work on your business.
It's a great environment. They give us weekly training. They're available on the Telegram app. They're available in the DMs. I always get great advice from them.
Everything about them really helps you gain the knowledge you need to make money with affiliate marketing. And not only that, help you mentally change your focus, change your mindset so that you can become the best affiliate marketer out there.
I've seen quite a bit in the marketplace, but I'll tell you right now, craziest thing that I've never seen before is the support that you get.
These guys really over-deliver. I mean, I finally feel that I have some strategies and tips, some concrete things that I can do that are going to move me forward in my affiliate marketing business.
I finally feel like I have some clarity and I have a plan in place for what I'm going to do in the next few months. I'm excited for it, and I just wanted to thank you for sharing all of your strategies.
It was jam-packed with nuggets for marketers of all levels, from Facebook profile training to social media marketing. No stone was left unturned.
I'm trying to get this video done without breaking down. It's one of the best things that I've ever done in my entire life, and I owe it to you guys. You guys are the best. I can't wait to see what else you guys come up with. I'll be the first customer online.